Good morning, third class. Today we will do the solution of exercise 3.9 which I gave you to try. Now, first question is estimate the difference by rounding off to nearest tens. Means here we have to find the difference means subtract the numbers. So first we will round off the number, after that we will subtract. See, first question is A part 6129. So round of nearest tens, it means we will check the digit at the place ones, which is greater than 5. So we will add 1 to this number and it becomes 6130. Right. Now next is 3299. Again here 9 more than 5. So we will add 1 to this number. Now when we add 1 to this number, 9 plus 1 10, again it gives carry to this, so it becomes 3300. Right. Now we have to find the difference. So what we write here, estimated difference equals to, subtract the number, 0 minus 0, 3 minus 0, 3. We can't subtract 1 from 3, 11 minus 3, 8. And 5 minus 3, 2. Right? Now, next second question is B part. 7312 and 2149. Again same, rounding off to nearest tens. So at the place of ones, 2 less than 5. So the number will remain the same. At the place of ones, 9 more than 5. So we will add 1 to this number and it becomes 5. Right? Same you will write here, estimated difference subtract 0 minus 0, can't subtract 5 from 1, 11 minus 5, 6, 2 minus 1, 1, 7 minus 2, 5. Right? Third, C part, 8101 and 3841. Now 8000 at the place of ones, 1, so the number will remain the same. Here also 1, the number will remain the same. Right? So estimated difference zero minus 0, 10 minus 4, 6, 10 minus 8, 2, 7 minus 3, 4. Clear? Now D part. D part is 6577 and 4611. Now at the place of ones, 7, which is greater than 5, so we will add 1 to this number. 80. Here also 1, the number is less than 5, so the number will remain the same. 4610. Now estimated means exact you don't know, because here we are estimated find now, we are rounding off the number. So estimated means that कि आप instantly कोई चीज़ बता रहे. Clear? Now 0 minus 0, 8 minus 1, 7, 15 minus 6, 9, 5 minus 4, 1. Clear? Now, next is E part. 7,316 and 3,420. Right? At the place of ones, 6. Again more than 5. So we will add 1 to this number. 7320. Here 0 less than 5. So the number will remain the same. Now difference. You will write here estimated difference. 0 minus 0, 2 minus 2, 0, 13 minus 4, 9, 6 minus 3, 3. Right? F part 8,569 and 5,212. 9 more than 5. So we will add 1 to this number. Here 2 less than 5. So the number will remain the same. Now estimated difference you will find yourself. Right? Now come to question number 2. Second question is, Rampur and Sampatpur are two nearby small towns. Rampur has a population of 8,003 and Sampatpur has the population of 5,095. Estimate how many more people live in Rampur than in Sampatpur by rounding of to nearest 100. Nearest 100. So first we will write population of Rampur. How much? 8,003. Rounding off to nearest tens, ones, tens. The number is less than 5, so the number will remain the same. Next, population of Sampatpur. $5,095. So once 5, we will add 1 to this. Again 9 plus 1, 10. 5,100. Now we have to find how many more people live in Rampur than Shampur. So people live in Rampur then Sampatpur equals to 8,000 minus 5,100. 10 minus 1, 9, 7 minus 5, 2. So how many people live in Rampur than Shampur? 2,900. Clear? Now come to third question. Estimate the difference by rounding of to nearest 100. Now in third question, rounding of to nearest 100. First A part is 6,321 4,730 100 ones, tens, 100. So we will check the digit at the tens place, which is 2. So the number will remain the same. Ones, tens. Again the number will remain the same because the digit at the tens place is less than 5. So estimated difference subtract 0, 0, 13 minus 7, 6, 5 minus 4, 1. Right? Now B part. 7124, 2335. Again check the tens place. Once tens 2, the number will remain the same. Here 3, again the number will remain the same. You will do estimated difference. Subtract the numbers, you will get your answer. Now C part. 6319, 3739. Here at the tens place digit less than 5, so the number will remain same. Same here, less than 5. Now estimated difference. 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 13 minus 7, 6, up minus 3, 2. Now D part. Again here 1, here 4, less than 5. Estimated difference. Subtract the number, you will get answer. E part is 5322 and 2909. At the place of again ones, tens, 2, the number will remain the same. Here is 0, so again the number will remain the same. Subtract both the numbers, you will get the answer. Right? Now F part is 6145 and 1903. Again we will check the digit at the tens place, because once is tens, 100, the digit before 100 is tens, so we will check the tens place, which is less than 5, so the number will remain the same. Here also again the number will remain the same. Now estimated difference. Clear? Now fourth question is, an encyclopedia on dance has this much page, 5097. Another encyclopedia on music has 6345 pages. Estimate how many more pages the encyclopedia on music has than the encyclopedia on dance. See, one encyclopedia on dance having this much page, encyclopedia on music has this much page. Now they are asking which one has more. So simple, it is music. And how many? By rounding off to nearest 100. So encyclopedia on dance has pages. Encyclopedia has pages on dance 5097. Again ones tens more than 5, so we will add 1 because we have to round off nearest 100. So it becomes 5100 and here it becomes 6300. Right? Next is encyclopedia has pages on music 6345. At the place of tens, the digit is 4, which is less than 5. So the number will remain the same. Next is number of pages encyclopedia on music has more than on dance. So subtract both the numbers. 3 minus 1 2, 6 minus 5 1. So how many pages of encyclopedia has more on music? 1200. Clear? Next question is question number 5. Estimate the difference by rounding off to nearest 1000. Here we have to round off nearest 1000. Round off to nearest 1000. For 1000, which digits we have to check, or which place value we have to check? The place value of 100, because before 1000 what comes? 100, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So first part is 7019 and 2439. So the round off of this number is, at the place of 100, 0, so the number will remain the same. In this 4, which is also less than 5, so the number will remain the same. So estimated difference, seven minus 2, 5000, right? B part, 5169, 2389. Again ones, tens, 100. At the place 1, the number will remain the same. Ones, tens, 100. Here 3, the number will remain the same. Now you can find estimated difference. C part, calculation you will do yourself. 7159 and 3029. Same at the place of 101, less than 5. Here 0, which is automatically less than 5, so the number will 3000. Now estimated difference equals to 7 minus 3, 4000. Right? Now D part, 8312 and 4219. Again ones, tens, 100. 3 less than 5, so the number will remain the same. Here also number less than 5, the number remains same. Now estimated difference, subtract the number, you will get, right? Next is E and F part, you will round off yourself. Now come to 6th question. In the first month of shopkeeper sold 7921 items. In the second month he sold 4199. Estimate how many more items were sold in the first month than in the 6th question. Items sold in first month. How many? 7921. Round off to nearest 1000. Ones, tens, 100. At the place of 100, the digit is greater than 5. So we will add 1 to this number and it becomes 8000. Right? Now same for second. Items sold in second month. How many? 4199. Here is 1, so the number will remain the same. Now number of items sold more in first month. Number of items sold more in first month than second month equals to 8,000 minus 4,000. So how many? 4,000. Right? Clear exercise 3.9.